What you are about to witness is a journey to escape the modern world. A quest not just for shelter, but for a forgotten way of life. Deep in the wild, an astonishing transformation is about to begin. Forging a new existence with nothing but the forest's hidden gifts. The first step to find the perfect ground on which to build a dream. The search is meticulous, a silent conversation with the ancient land. He listens for a sign, a place that feels like destiny. Here, by the lifeblood of the forest, the work begins. Each stone, weathered by time, is chosen with immense care. They are the bones of a new beginning, pulled from the earth's embrace. Slowly, an ancient art is revived. A structure born of patience and sheer determination. The walls rise, a testament to a forgotten strength. A foundation is laid, solid and unyielding. With the heavy work done, a moment of reflection. But the vision demands more than just walls, it demands artistry. Every gap is filled, every stone perfectly placed. This is more than a building, it is a fortress of solitude. The ground within is consecrated, made smooth and ready. The first chapter of this incredible endeavor is complete. The journey is far from over. Now, the forest must offer its timber, the soul of the shelter. Each piece of wood is skillfully shaped, carved with ancient joinery techniques. The frame of a doorway emerges, a portal between the wild and the sanctuary. The precision is remarkable, a perfect fit born from raw materials. Delicate but strong, the window bars are set in place. A touch of elegance in the rugged landscape. The structure now has eyes to look out upon its domain. A heavy stone lintel, a crown for the entrance, is carefully positioned. With renewed purpose, the stonework continues its ascent. From a distance, the scale of the achievement becomes clear. He works with the focus of a master craftsman. A humble palace of stone rises from the forest floor. The final challenge for this shelter, the roof. A framework of timber is constructed, reaching for the sky. The rafters are laid, a skeleton that will soon be given skin. Each piece adds to the growing sense of completion. The design is both simple and profoundly intelligent. A look of satisfaction reveals the pride in his work. The magnificent stone house stands complete, a triumph of will and skill. It is a monument to what one person can achieve. The next phase of the project introduces a new element, a waterproof seal. He moves through the woods, his connection to this land now unbreakable. Returning to his creation, the work is not yet finished. From his pack, a modern material emerges, a rare concession to the old ways. This layer will protect his sanctuary from the harshest elements. Now, the roof will be armored with the very stones he gathered earlier. A painstaking process, laying each stone slate with precision. The final tiles are placed, completing the formidable stone roof. Attention now turns to the interior, creating a space of warmth and comfort. A small, efficient hearth is built into the wall. Next, the floor must be prepared. The earth is leveled, a clean slate for the final touches. The shelter is being perfected, detail by detail. Once again, he turns to the forest for materials. Timber is expertly split into usable planks. A supply of wood is prepared, ready for the next stage of construction. The home is being imbued with a soul. Every action is deliberate, thoughtful, and skillful. The culmination of this effort is almost at hand. A work of profound dedication is revealed. Now, the interior floor is laid, plank by plank, transforming the earthen floor into a warm, wooden surface. Outside, a stone path is laid, a welcoming walkway. Each stone is hammered into place, creating a solid, rustic path. The final walkway is tested, strong and steady. He inspects the surface, ensuring its perfection. The local clay is mixed, transforming into a natural mortar. This earthen plaster will be used to seal and strengthen the fireplace. A stone hearth takes shape, the future heart of the home. The stone-slated roof gleams, a shield against the elements. The finished house stands in harmony with the forest. Inside, the stone floor is meticulously set in place. The gaps are sealed with the same clay, binding the stones as one. The path to the door is paved, an invitation into the sanctuary. The final piece is the door itself, crafted from the forest's timber. It is assembled with skill, a sturdy barrier to the wild outside. The frame is secured, completing the entryway. From within, the home offers a new perspective on the world. A masterpiece of natural building stands complete. He looks back, a silent acknowledgement of his incredible achievement. But the journey is not over. He discovers a new calling. A natural shelter formed by the ancient roots of a giant tree. He begins to clear the entrance, drawn to this primal space. An irresistible challenge to create a home within the earth itself. Carefully, he trims the roots, respecting the life of the tree. He begins to excavate, his hands shaping the interior. The work is arduous, digging into the dense, packed earth. Slowly, the cavern expands. He battles against a massive, immovable stone. Ingenuity is his greatest tool, leveraging his strength against the rock. The forest provides the tools he needs. Timber is gathered to aid in the monumental task. Each piece is brought to the site with great effort. A bridge is fashioned, a simple but effective solution. He prepares to move the unmovable. A system of ropes and levers is devised, anchoring the system to the very forest that surrounds him. With incredible force, the giant stone begins to yield. Victory, the path is cleared. He gazes into the newly expanded space, his vision for clear. Using rollers, the massive stone is moved into its final position. It will become a feature of the new dwelling. The work continues, pushing the boundaries of his skill. He crosses the stream, constantly seeking resources. Rotten wood is harvested, its core still strong and useful. The outer layers are stripped away, revealing the treasure within. This wood is processed into fine kindling, a resource that will soon be used to create a natural plaster. The natural world provides everything he needs. Even the smallest creatures are part of this intricate ecosystem. The wood shavings are mixed with clay, creating a strong, fibrous building material. With this earthen mortar, he begins to sculpt the interior walls. The cave is transformed from a rough hollow into a smooth, deliberate space. The walls are reinforced with a lattice of wood. An opening is formed, perhaps for a hearth or window. Again, he must venture out to gather more timber. The weight of the logs is immense, a true test of endurance. Each log is brought back to the evolving shelter. The construction continues, piece by laborious piece. His journey back to the shelter is a picture of perseverance. The wood is cut into uniform discs, the building blocks of his next creation. An inventory of perfectly cut rounds is prepared. Using clay, he begins to build a wall of wood and earth. This remarkable technique creates a strong, insulated, and beautiful wall. A fire burns in the new hearth, bringing life and warmth to the space. The walls rise, a mosaic of natural materials. The entire surface is plastered smooth with clay. He builds an arched ceiling, a marvel of primitive engineering. Smoke from the chimney signals a home that is alive. He sets posts for the entryway, the final phase of construction. The wooden discs are used to create an intricate, welcoming arch. The details showcase his evolving mastery. The entrance to the Hobbit hole is nearly complete. Now, he will craft furniture for his new home. A log is carved and shaped to become a bed frame. The craftsmanship is both rustic and elegant. The bed is brought inside, turning the shelter into a bedroom. It fits perfectly into the space he has created. The underground home is a finished masterpiece. A cozy, warm, and utterly unique dwelling, born of the earth. The next project begins, an entrance worthy of this subterranean home. He positions to hollowed logs to form the base. Wood is prepared for what will become a magnificent round door. Old planks are carefully arranged and measured. Wooden pegs are driven through, fastening the planks together. The pegs are trimmed flush, creating a smooth surface. A sturdy frame is built around the planks. The completed door lies ready, a perfect circle. A wooden latch is fashioned, another small, clever detail. The archway of the entrance is filled in with the signature wood discs. He stands before his creation, the iconic door now hung in place. Firewood is prepared for the cozy home. The entrance is sealed and decorated with earthen plaster. The finished entrance is a work of art. The final touch will be a floor for the entryway. Fresh bamboo is gathered to create a beautiful, natural flooring. The bamboo slats are laid down, forming an elegant and durable surface. They are pegged together with the same meticulous care. The final result, a sanctuary in complete harmony with nature. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Primitive Villa for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.